Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Best Buy. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bestbuy.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Best Buy website. If you haven't logged into your account already, click on the login button at the top section and proceed forward with your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will end back into the home page. Now, if you wish to change your payment method that you are using to make your transactions, click on your user ID at the top section and then click on Payment Methods. You will then be taken into the payment section. Now, you will see the Add a Payment Method option at the top section and your current payment methods underneath. You can either delete your current payment method first or click on Add a Payment Method to add your desired one first. After clicking on this button, just enter your credit or debit card number that you wish to add, and then enter your entire billing address. Once you enter all of these credentials, click on the Add Payment Method option, and now this new payment method will also be added to your account. After you add this payment method, you can simply delete the older one from the Payment Methods screen. And now, this new payment method will be used within your account, and you can make your purchases by using this card. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your payment method on your Best Buy account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.